Hey guys, if you're anything like me and recently picked yourself up the DJI Neo drone, or even more so, got the Fly More bundle kit, you may be in the market for picking up a case or something to keep all your stuff in one place and protected. I was looking and looking on Amazon. Finally, I found one that I'm very satisfied with. So in this video, I'm going to show you the case that I ended up going with, and I'll even give you the link for Amazon if you want to take a closer look at it. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so here is the case. As you can see, not sure if you can see the texture here well, but this is what it is. It's a hard shell case. Here's the zippers. Here's the back side of it here. And it just comes with loops for shoulder straps. I do not use them. And okay, let's dive into the inside. I'll turn it over this way maybe. And here's the inside. So we got a pocket up here, which I keep some stuff in there. And everything is cut out for your stuff. So we'll start with the controller. Like I said, I do have the Fly More combo, so that goes right like that. And then I got the battery pack. That goes right into here. And what else? I got a USB cable that I keep in here like this, like that. And the drone itself can go right in like that. And everything, the cutouts are good, so everything fits snug right in like that. You can see how it went down in there. And that is basically it. And got a nice zipper up here, like I keep some stuff in here. Okay. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. No rocket science here, guys. Zippers, no problem zipping up. And it's great to be able to have a case like this. I forget what I dropped for it on Amazon, but I'll find the price and show you what I paid for it. But yeah, it's a nice, fairly hard shell, durable case. I'm so glad that I got something like this because I really needed to keep something in there. And does the trick, very simple. I'm satisfied with it. Now, I also have some other DJI Neo drone related videos on my channel if you want to check them out. I'll have them popping up around here somewhere. You can check them out if you want. Oh, and I'm also trying to get my little channel to 500 subs, so think about giving me a sub if you wouldn't mind. Thanks. See ya.